Let me tell you why I do criminal law. I was born in South Central Los Angeles on the corner of 43rd and Avalon. I have an older sister, Tracy, and a younger brother, Todd. We were all on welfare when we were young and we were kids. And people on welfare had to go and find jobs in order to continue to get their welfare benefits. Now, being on welfare is not the greatest because you don't have a lot of money, but what was really good for our family about us being on welfare is that my mom was always there. She could always supervise us. She could always manage us. By the time she becomes a certified nurse's assistant, things had changed. So my mom in the 1980s and early 1990s was working the shift from 11 o'clock at night to 7 o'clock in the morning. By that time, I had moved out of the house and I was in college. My older sister, she had moved out of the house and she was married. But my younger brother, Todd, he was still in the house and he started hanging around some people who were stealing cars. And eventually, he got arrested for stealing a car. So when he got arrested, my mom started looking for a lawyer and she started looking in all of the places that you would think you would look for a lawyer, and she found this lawyer on Wilshire Boulevard. He was your stereotypical Wilshire Boulevard lawyer, fancy office, really fancy clothes. But she told me that he talked down to her. She also told me that he needed $5,000, and we didn't have that type of money, so my mom begged and borrowed and scrimped to get the money that we needed for this lawyer to provide a good legal defense to my brother. That didn't happen. The lawyer came to court, and after 2 appearances, he pled my brother guilty, and that was the end of it. Now, we didn't expect this lawyer to provide miracles, but we did expect this lawyer to work as hard as possible and to be as caring as he possibly could with our family's case. So when I graduated law school, I vowed that I would never, ever be that type of lawyer, because I understand that everybody's not born with a silver spoon in their mouth. Some people are doing everything just like my mom did to get the money to get representation for their loved ones. So when they come to me, what we vow is that we're going to do every single thing in our power to give you the type of legal representation that I wish we would have gotten for my brother Todd. I do criminal cases because of what has happened to my family. And if your family has a criminal problem, please call us at the law offices of Robin Perry.